Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you something new in this video. So I'm requesting you guys, before start this video, you are new my channel, somewhere you are watching this video very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay? Because in this video I'm going to share with you regarding some topic English, okay? So watch till end. And today's topic is what is in by consistency and how to work consistency. Okay, consistency, that means the key of open all about something to start, right? So today I want to share with you what is my consistency. Okay, how to work consistency, that means I record myself every single day, that is my consistency. I want to record every single day, that is the something I want. But consistency is the work of like whatever you do, like you think about it. I want to reading every single day, so consistency, that means every single day, if you should start to reading every single day. Don't skip every day, that is, don't skip one day, 2 day, that no matter. Just consistency, that means follow every single day rules, okay, without any further activities, any further skip day, okay? That is my consistency. And consistency, that means this not matter, just how to work consistency I want to share with you. Okay, firstly, just initial days, that means you should start to write one particular page, your goal. I want to read today, I want to write something today, I want to learn something today. So that is our work to do this. That's it, today's goal. Second day, again you should start to read something, write something, and watch something, and learn something. That is our second day work. And just start to first day, second day, third day, and just 7 or 8 days just work you should start. And then this connectivity automatically generate in your mind. So just start today one thing, you should start to write your second day planning, that means next day planning. Just like you should start to 7 or 8 day planning in a particular page or book or diary, and just start to every single day reading, watching something, learn something, create something. So just start to do on work every single day, that's it. That is my consistency, and this power of consistency is literally growable. This power is literally awesome, because of you should do this every single day, and just you see this result only, you know just 15 days or 7 days, okay, just result you see. But before, you just start to make a plan, 7 days goal or 7 days plan, and just work on it every single day, okay? Just do this and see this plan, okay? And just work on it, okay? For example, you just start to write, okay, you are feeling very hesitant to speak English, you are feeling very stuck to speak English, like you are feeling very scared speak English in front of camera and whatever. You just not able to speak English, and you just write this, I don't able this. So just start work on it. You don't able to learn vocabulary, you don't able to read something or write something. You just write this goal on page and just do work. You can see the result only 15 days, or whatever. Just if you are able, just only you are capable only for practice or consistency, that's it. You just start to work on it. Just write this goal one page or one book, and just try to work on it, okay? Write this goal and work on it, because they are the one particular thing that is mean by just manifestation. Just a manifestation, that means these are literally work. Just do it, okay? Just do it only. Write this, you are not able, you are not capable, you don't speak English, you are feeling very stuck to speak English. Just do this, just do this, just work on it. That means you should try to one of page or one diary, just try to read, just try to write this, your plan or your goal. You just don't able, you are not read, just write on it and try to daily work. That's it, that is enough, okay? So everything is possible. Just try to consistency, and just try to you know efforts every single day, do efforts every single day, and just try, okay? So yes, that is my consistency, and consistency is the open everything. Consistency is the key of open everything, every locks, okay? So just start and do this, okay? So this video like you, if you like this video, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. And sorry for I don't upload video every single day because of my paper is start, so that's why I don't record myself every single day. But this paper over is only next 2 day or 3 day, and then I try to continue upload video on channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.